for this one, we will first create a background, then center this bad boy. Oh no, oh no. We don't know another way to thing. This is the most easiest way. Then change the background. You know what? I think we will do a two half oval. This half half oval. That has an offset of the bottom. So push this. Wait. Let's adjust the size first. 200. Double the size and the height. Let's add the height. Push this to the bottom. Of course, like that isn't enough. Then add the border radius to the top left and the top right. No, this is not. Border top left, like that. Copy and this is two circle for me. Let's widen. No, let's adjust the width. Let's try that for the pixel. 50 pixel. The width is locking. The width is locking. Okay, 30, 60, 70, 70. Okay, the left side looks more accurate than the left. Why it's something is not right. Reduce the height 65. Like that, it's not moving anymore. Then let's rename the class to oval lock. Then a class on its front, oval front, just like that. And let's also, of course, let's rename this class oval back. And let's create this oval front. Rename. Then background. And reduce the size. That. Then let's create these lines. There are 3 lines here. Create the center line first. Center. Line C for the center. Line C with 50 pixel. Or 200. Like this. Then what else? I think Yeah, the height is wrong spelling. That's right. Let's copy the center code 0 to make the center. Just the height, just like that. And let's create the right and the left. Copy. Adjust the height. Push it downwards. Whoa. Then let's create the right line. This is how easy it is. You just invert the value. That's it.